Hello friends, today we are going to see one of the project that I have implemented today. That project is the LED control using the hand gesture. This project I have implemented by using the Opencv and the help of the Arduino. So let's look at that project then. Now look at this. This project I have implemented using the Python Opencv and using the PyCharm IDE. So this is the code of the project. I'm running this project and let's see the output. This is the Arduino that I have connected to my laptop, and these are the 5 LEDs that I am going to control by using the hand gesture. So let's run this program. So I'm running the program. Now you can see here. Now I'm showing the fingers, okay, and the number of fingers. According to the number of fingers, that particular LED will be on. Okay, so you can see here I'm showing the 5 fingers. And here you can see the 5 fingers is on. Okay, so I'm changing the fingers to 4, so only 4 LEDs will get on. Now now you can see here it is detecting the 2, so the 2 LEDs will be on. So according to the number of fingers, the number of LED will get on and off. Okay, so you can see 2, 4, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you can see here. I can show you both. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, so that's it for today.